Welcome to another outdoor skills and workshop with CSUSB Adventure. My name is Edmar, and today we will be going over some basic bike maintenance. These are the items I recommend you have before getting started. A bucket with soapy water, preferably the soap meant for bikes. A couple of brushes of different sizes. At least 2 sponges, one for the frame and one for the chain. I do it like this because the one for the chain will get significantly dirtier, and we don't want to use the same sponge to rinse the bike off when we're done. Some degreaser, some bike wash, some chain lubricant, and some rags that you don't mind getting dirty. Awesome, since I've already showed you what you need, we're gonna start off by degreasing. So I'm gonna be degreasing the cassette, chain rings, the jockey wheel, and front and rear derailleurs. Let's go ahead and start. Now that I've kind of done that already, I'm gonna grab my brush. I'm gonna put some on and just spread it out more evenly. We're going to let it sit for a while, and in the meantime we are going to be starting to wash the bike. So go ahead and grab your bike wash and start spreading it all over. Drop it. Just grab your sponge and then start scrubbing. We've already done the body. We're gonna be moving on to the chain and the area around the chain. We grabbed a new sponge because this one will get more dirty, and we're gonna use the other sponge to rinse the bike later. Now that I've kind of already gone over it a little bit, I'm gonna add some more degreaser and let it sit for a little while longer. Drop it. We've let the degreaser sit for a little bit longer. I'm going to be adding some more soapy water, and I'm going to use these brushes to do the rest of the cleaning and the harder to get places. Frames and the chains. Now it's time for the wheels. So I'm going to go ahead and spray some bike wash on the wheels and rims and everything. I'm going to grab our tough brush, spray some on, and start scrubbing. Took off the wheel and I'm just gonna do the last finishing touches. So the back wheel is the same thing as the front, except now you gotta clean the cassette too. So now we're gonna hit the cassette with the one of the rags that I told you to grab. So add some degreaser. Let it sit for a while. Now that we let the degreaser sit for a while, we're gonna grab our rag and start cleaning it. Have a proper stand. I had to put my bike upside down, and now we're gonna be washing the harder to reach places with the wheel. We're gonna begin the rinsing process. I'm gonna be rinsing the wheels with the hose. So one thing to remember about using a hose, don't ever shoot water straight into the bearings of the wheels or any other bearings, because it will flush out all the grease and it could cause problems later down the line. Quick body rinse before putting on the wheels. Remember, make sure not to throw any water inside the bearings. Almost done. All we need to do is just rinse it and add some lubricant. Gonna dry it real quick. Add some lube. I'm gonna be using dry lube. you're gonna wipe off the excess that it has. Actually, the last and final step of this is to go ahead and do a quick inspection of your bike. So as I was doing my inspection, I found out that I need new tires because these are not good. Or this.